Hello viewers, welcome again to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today I'm going to show a diabetic friendly video for how to cook rice properly, and there's steps here and there, so I want you to watch it attentively until the end. So basically the ingredients are water and rice. So first of all, I have 1 cup of rice, regular rice. I'm using Basmati. You can use parboil or any kind of rice. If it's a new rice, like say jasmine rice, or it is not this method that could be done. And also jasmine rice is not recommended for diabetic because it's a new rice and it contains a lot of starch. So now I'm going to wash down the rice. I'm going to show the first round and then I'm going to do it separately. And also and we will wash the rice until the water runs clear in this video. And in my previous video, that was a very long time ago, 5 years ago when I posted, there were many comments about it. Why did I use oil and so on? And there were many questions were asked. I did respond to almost most of them, and I am not responsible for your health. This is just a recommendation and this is a disclaimer, and I would like you to go and show the video to your dietitian if you are a diabetic patient, and also follow the advice of your dietitian. I am not responsible for your health condition. So if you are a diabetic patient, just be cautious on this, but I would like you to watch until the end. And some of them have already been asked me about cabbage rice or cauliflower rice. Please do try it out from with all means on your side, and that is different, and I am not 100% sure about the nutrients. Well, cauliflower has its nutrients, but you need to know for yourself. So for any health issues related, please check with your dietitian and show the video and recommend this video to your dietitian, and follow according to the approval or disapproval of your dietitian. So let us begin by washing the rice first. I have a cup of raw rice and I have some water here. All I need to do, fill up the rice fill up the water until the rice is fully immersed, and also using your hands, rinse it and rub the rice with your hands and with the water at least for a minute or two. And as the water has become so dirty, now we need to strain. And I always preserve the first water for plants, or for those who are having hair fall issues and dandruff. Rice water is a best remedy. This is just a recommendation, and you can rinse your head or your scalp with this rice water and leave it there for 1 hour, 20 minutes to an hour, or depends on how long if you would like to have, and then wash it off with a mild soap or the shampoo. Now I will be doing the second wash, and I will be taking it to a different location to do it. And so, dear viewers, the rice has been rinsed and washed well, and so now we will let it rest for 30 minutes of minimum. 30 minutes. It doesn't matter any kind of rice that you soak, but just follow the instruction of the package. Also some rice that requires more time, and for this is a basmati, so I'm using this basmati and I'm going to soak for 30 minutes. So we'll be back after 30 minutes. It's already more than 30 minutes now, so now we can cook the rice. Now you can see I have already boiled a pot of water, which is about 3/4 pots of the water. So it's boiling very vigorously. At this point, we will add a couple of tablespoons of oil. 1, 2. And at this point, we can add the soaked rice. I've strained the water already. And so now we can add the rice completely. And we will let this rice cook for 7 to 8 minutes. I repeat, we will cook this rice on high heat for 7 to 8 minutes. And at this point, you can also add salt if you want. And the reason why I added oil is because when it's cooled, the rice has been cooked, it has been cooled, the grains will not stick together. I repeat, when the rice has cooled after cooking, the rice will not stick together and it will be fluffy and perfect. We'll be back in 7 to 8 minutes. It has been 7 minutes now, and you can see the texture of the rice is already cooked, and it holds its grain, yet the shape remains as it is, and it is cooked. Let me test it. Indeed, look at my finger. When I crush it, it smashes. So this is a perfect moment that we can turn off the stove and take it out from the stove. And with that, now we are going to strain the starch. It's time now to strain the starch. As the starch has been separated, so now since the bottom bowl it's a little small, so I'm going to transfer it into a bigger bowl so that all the starch will get strained completely. And you can see the starch now, and this starch is also usable for hair, especially for hair loss and for treatment. You can't use them right now. It has to come to room temperature or completely cool. But for best results is keep it overnight, then use them for rinsing and let it soak for at least an hour, and you can use them. If you are not using oil, you can also reuse for your hair. But since you are using oil especially for those who are having dandruff, so be cautious of that because there's oil contained. So just be cautious because we were cooking with oil. Here viewers, you could see how the rice is fluffy, and this is a perfect texture, and this is how you cook rice, especially for diabetic people, because we have removed the starch, and as you can see there's no starch in the bottom. And so this is the best way to cook rice. So I hope you will try in your kitchen, and you can leave your comment. And also when you fluff your rice, please use a fork. Either you go from the bottom to come out or just do it from the top lightly. So thank you very much everyone for watching this video, Friday Friendly Kitchen, and especially if you are new, welcome aboard, and please like the video and share the video with everyone. So thank you for watching, and see you soon in my next video. And this is a complete detail to cook rice, and it's for especially if it's a diabetic friendly. And you could also see the first video where there was a lot of mistakes took place, so I decided to re-record the video, so with detailed information. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.